10 rounds of boxing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from the Royal Farms Arena in Baltimore, Maryland, Premier Boxing Champions presents the official weigh-in for our World Championship main event of the evening, brought to you by Mayweather Promotions, TGB Promotions, GTV Promotions, and Showtime. And we are sponsored by MGM Resorts and Brooklyn Boxing. And now let's bring our fighters to the stage. First, we welcome the challenger from Panama. With 19 knockouts in his 21 victories, he is ranked the WBA #2 world contender. Please welcome Ricardo Cientifico Nunez.
Ricardo Nunez said yesterday he vows to knock Gervonta Tank Davis out. He has some fans here, but 99% of people here are going for
And now his opponent, the defending world champion from Baltimore. He's the two-time world He's the WBA super featherweight champion of the world, Gervonta Tank Davis. All right, fans, here we go. Let's bring our fighters to the scale. This is for the WBA Super Featherweight Championship of the World. Weight limit is a very strict 130 pounds. First, ladies and gentlemen, here is the challenger making his US and Showtime debut and his first attempt at a world title. Please welcome the hard-hitting challenger, Ricardo Cientifico Nunez. 128 3/4 pounds, 128 3/4 pounds for the challenger. And now here is the young star of boxing making his hometown return. His world title appearance. Here's boxing's pride of Charm City, the undefeated, hard-hitting, reigning WBA Super Featherweight Champion of the World, Gervonta Tank Davis. 129.5 pounds. We have a fight. Davis weighs in at 129.5 pounds. This is for the WBA
Hey Tank, hey Tank!
Championship of the World.
We've been training hard as shit.
Yes, he has.
From the morning till we close at 11 p.m. at night.
That boy been, I ain't never seen him that small.
Look, 7 days a week.
There they are. You don't want to miss this fight. The last time they face each other before they meet in the